Okay, so first step on the instructions is to make the 2 outer rings. So we have these snaps here. I'm just going to pour them out on the floor. And I'm going to put them in the side tracks, and I'm going to put it on this side of the side tracks, the smaller side. You don't want to put them in this end. So you can put them in this way or that way, doesn't really matter. Alright, now that I have the side tracks, I have the push buttons inserted in the side tracks, I'm just going to put together the 2 rings, the 2 outer rings, and they should go together pretty simple. Just push it right in. Bang it, and then now you got to make sure you push it all the way in. But now you can just tighten the wing nut one side, tighten the wing nut on the other side, right up there, and now these are optional. These are we call them paw guards. They go right here. It's really optional. So now you can put the wheel on. They go on the track and you can try spinning it. So that's the wheel. Now, traction pads. Now you put the traction pads on, and how we like to put the traction pads on are, you see this seam right here? We like to put it right in the middle of it, somewhere around there. Just put them over the seams. Actually, this seam and that seam, let's put it halfway. We made the traction pads wider in this generation. Customers were asking for a wider wheel, so we made it wider. Take them off. Line it up with the side, and just put it on. And again, you should stagger the seams because it makes it stronger if you stagger the seams. So just butt it up against the next one. finger. And just butt it up. Nice. There's an overlap, you can trim it. So, this is the wheel in a nutshell. Now, paw guards go here. They just push on. Again, they're optional, you know. And if you want to, the wheel will have some tension to it when it comes, but if you want to loosen it up, you can loosen these up a little bit on the wheels and you can put less resistance. But more resistant builds muscle for the cats, and as your cat uses it more and more, you can tighten it up to put more resistance on it to build more muscle. But these are, again, optional paw guards. You just pop them on. And you just clean up and there you go. Thanks for watching.